Before we begin, we will first give a general overview of the parts of the Cryoport and how it works. The tan outer shell protects the inner specimen doer during transit. The hood is secured with a latch to maintain a closed system. After opening the hood, you will see a data logger that records the internal doer temperature continuously throughout the entire shipment. When the black doer lid is removed, you should see the temperature probe exposed below the styrofoam base. The doer contains a metal rack, capable of holding 5 standard freezer boxes. This rack must be in the correct orientation in order to completely fit and lower into the doer. When the handles of the rack are parallel to the large metal handle of the doer, the rack will fit snugly. When working with the Cryoport, please remember that liquid nitrogen can cause severe burns and is an asphyxiant. All work with Cryoports and liquid nitrogen should be conducted in a well-ventilated room containing oxygen monitors. Always wear personal protective equipment, including a lab coat, eye protection, cryogenic gloves, and a face shield. When you are ready to prepare a shipment, you will need dry ice, your completed shipping manifest, cutting shears, and a pen. To begin, use your cutting shears to cut the 2 zip ties securing the tan hood. Open the lid and remove the documents from the Ziploc bag taped in the hood. Next, review the displayed temperature on the data logger and record it on the provided temperature log. If the temperature is above -185 degrees Celsius, please contact your coordinator at the BCR for further instructions. Remove the old air bill from the Cryoport handle and black out any existing FedEx barcodes. Attach the return air bill found within the Ziploc bag to the handle using the adhesive backing as well as the zip tie as demonstrated. To prepare the samples for transit, place them on dry ice and use your completed shipping manifest to verify all specimen identifiers are present and identical to the documented identifiers on the manifest. Each specimen vial must have a unique identifier and be listed on the manifest. While samples are being reviewed, please remember to keep them on dry ice at all times. Now you are ready to load the specimens into the Cryoport. Lift the hood and use your cutting shears to remove the zip tie securing the black doer lid. Lift the black lid by gripping the sides. Be careful not to disrupt the data logger. Then remove the metal rack and immediately replace the black lid. Place quality-controlled specimens into the BCR provided boxes and slide the boxes into the metal rack. You may use your own freezer boxes if desired. Return the rack to the doer, aligning the handles as previously described. Finally, replace the black lid, ensuring the temperature probe is exposed and handled as shown. Before securing the Cryoport for shipping, you must wait for the temperature to rebound to -185 degrees Celsius. This process generally takes between 30 to 60 minutes. Once the temperature reaches at least -185 degrees Celsius, record the outbound temperature on the provided log. If the cryoport does not reach the appropriate temperature, please contact the BCR for further direction. Place the paper temperature log and completed shipping manifest in the Ziploc bag and secure it to the roof of the cryoport hood using packing tape. Close the hood and insert the shell latch into the metal slot on the hood. To lock, turn clockwise and press down. The holes on the latch should be facing down and near the metal loops on the base of the latch, as shown. To further secure the latch for transit, thread a zip tie through each hold on the bottom of the latch, as well as the metal slot on the cryoport hood. When complete, the zip tie should be threaded through 3 openings. A quick tip: you should thread both zip ties through all openings before tightly securing the cryoport hood. Place the Exempt Human Specimen sticker provided on the top of the cryoport hood, where it can easily be viewed. Now the cryoport is ready for shipment and can be transported to your institution's designated FedEx pickup location. For all shipping questions, please contact your BCR Lead Clinical Outreach Coordinator directly or through the BCR's main line at 614-355-2901.